Hello everybody, my name is Valentina and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're gonna play with blue eyeshadows. I'm not sure what is gonna come out of it because I haven't planned anything. We're gonna figure it out together. Let's hop into the video. I'm gonna start with the eyes today. The eyeshadows that I'm gonna use don't have major fallout, but it's just in case I'm doing something that I'm not happy with and then I have to wipe off just my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with the primer. I wore jeans yesterday for the first time in almost 7 weeks. If I gain any more weight, I'm definitely not getting into those jeans anymore. I'm gonna set the primer with just a little bit of powder. Let's crack on. So this is a palette that I'm gonna use. It's an e.l.f. palette. This is a great value for money. I think I paid £10 for this palette and you have all of these colors. Obviously today we're gonna play with these ones over here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the color Abyss up here. Blue is a color like purple that I do not play with a lot, and I'm gonna elongate it a little bit, and I'm bringing that blue towards the inner corner, and I'm flicking a bit here the outer corner. I'll make sure that it's particularly intense in the outer corner. e.l.f. is one of those brands, one of those first brands that I started using when I moved to London, because obviously I didn't have much money to spend on makeup. I didn't have much money to spend in general, but especially on makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with this, with this bright blue here. Oh, by the way, the name of this palette is Earth and Ocean. I'm gonna go with a flat brush. I'm gonna start from the outer corner. And I want this blue more intense as well. I'm gonna take my Evian water. I'll spray a little bit on the brush. So yes, the same blue goes in the inner corner. I'm gonna be careful here. I'm sort of creating a cut crease without cutting the crease. Now I'm gonna mix this blue with this blue. So this is more of a sort of a purpley blue, like the matte one, and this blue is more pale. The mixture of those two is gonna go in the middle. I'm taking another flat brush. I'm spraying it with the water straight away, and that one goes in the middle. So it took me a minute to match the two middles. The eyeshadow applied into two complete different ways on the eyes, on the two eyes. Like here is way more flaky than on this eye. I intensified the first color. I'm gonna go in with this palette. This is from Makeup Obsession. This was gifted to me by a friend that bought it for Halloween and then didn't know what to do with it. I'm gonna go in with this silver here with my angled brush, or maybe I should go with a liner brush. Yeah, let's change brush. I'm taking a liner brush. I proper saturate the brush and then I'll spray it, and I'll go in here. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to work. The only silver liner that I had, it dried out so badly, so I had to come up with a plan B. I'm happy I've done eyeshadow first because the blues are the blues have quite a bit of fallout. Let me recompose. Got eyeshadow everywhere. I'm gonna take my trustworthy Q-tip and my trustworthy micellar water. I will have to be extra careful with the eyeshadow and the concealer. So I feel like it took me forever to do these eyes. I'm going in with the Max Factor All Day Hydration. This is one of those foundations that I had like sleeping in my foundation drawer. It's one of those foundations that I tried once and I was like, oh, it's nice. And then I tried another one and then another one, and then it got to the back of the drawer, and now that I'm forcing myself not to buy any makeup, got out of our monthly budget now that we had to review our budget. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave you the card of the latest video. If you want to know our 5 rules that we're using now for budgeting our incomes, go and check that out. I'll leave the foundation sinking into the skin. In the meantime, I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows, and because the eyeshadow is so elongated, I'm gonna elongate my eyebrows as well. I'm gonna use the Unbelievable Brow by L'Oreal. I'll brush up and I'll brush down. First, I fill in arch and I sort of redefine the arch. I hate doing my eyebrows. Oh my god. Maybe not my best eyebrows. I'm gonna do concealer. For concealer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. I've tried again the foundation, the Pro Filter foundation, and it's not working for me. I tried to put it on just on the center of my face because I was having somehow a particularly oily T-zone the other day, but it ended up sort of making some little bits when I was trying to blend it. It's just not a good foundation for my skin. I started working amazingly on other skins and I was really excited to try it, but it just doesn't agree with my skin. I'll set the under eye with the with the Brighten Up Banana Powder by Essence, and this is just my favorite to set the under eye. So good. For the rest of my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't want to put too much, and I'm gonna focus on my T-zone. My side of my face is still looking decent after I shaved it, and nothing really grew back yet. And I was really worried that I was gonna get a sort of a massive beard, to be honest, but it hasn't happened yet. Hopefully it's never gonna happen. I'm gonna finish my eyes, so I'll go back with the first blue with a small brush, but not too small. So I'm gonna smoke it out a little bit, and this one goes all along the lash line. I'm taking the same flat brush that I used for the bright blue, and I'll get into the same bright blue again. That one goes in the middle. I'm taking a pencil brush and this sort of purpley blue down here, and that one goes in my inner corner. Then we do eyeliner. With the eyeliner, we want to follow the line of the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna start with the outer corner this time. It's a bit more intense than what I was planning to. I don't mind it actually. Now we have to make it match on the other side. I'm gonna put a bit of eyeliner in the waterline. Let's finish the rest of the face. I take the sponge and I sort of blend even more and soften that pinky. I'm using the Bambi eyelashes, Bambi Eye False Lash Mascara, and I'm gonna go with 2 coats because I don't want to put falsies, because I don't want to cover that badass eyeliner, otherwise I've done it for nothing. What do you think? More rosy, more nude, more nude? This is again from the ColourPop with the Zoella. This is in the color Little One. And this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed the look. If you recreate it, tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave you my account down here. Go and follow me there. Follow me on my Facebook page. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell down below, share the video if you want to share it. Have a great day, stay home, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon. Mwah. Bye!